Guys, you're looking at this W22 Victory Edition. But wait, you think this is its final form? Nope, it's been updated to look like the latest model. We've all seen old cars transformed into new styles, right? But today, we're doing something totally different. This beauty, underneath, it's actually a 2006 Mercedes S-Class, and we're not making it newer. We're bringing it back to its glorious classic look from over a decade ago. Wow, just look at it. The iconic three-pointed star emblem, gone, probably stolen by some mischievous kid. The tires, completely flat. The chrome trim, falling off, covered in dust and dirt. Air vents missing, mud splashed all over. But honestly, the body still holds up pretty well, except the hood, massively bent. We're talking engine, transmission, chassis. We're breaking everything down and rebuilding it from scratch to get it back to its original, legendary state. Inside, the steering wheel is still the old model. And man, the smell inside, ugh, super strong and unpleasant. No way we're leaving it like that. All right, enough talk. Let's start washing this beast. But just water? Nope, that won't cut it. We need to go full foam party mode. We begin by stripping off the outer parts, piece by piece, and carefully placing each on the rack for a full three-way inspection. Everything's getting cleaned up because seriously, this car is a total mess. Check out the interior. Half of it's crumbling. All of it's gotta go. Trust me, the interior work is the real headache here. Surprisingly though, some clips are still holding on. That's rare for a car this age. Finally, we've taken apart pretty much everything. Quick break, grab some water, then on to the next phase. All right, now comes the main event, separating the engine. We unbolt the exhaust system and carefully lift out the heart of the machine. This is the moment we live for, the big reveal. Every time we open up one of these, it's like opening a mystery box. Nerve-wracking, but so exciting. Next up, we strip down the chassis. At this point, there's almost nothing left on the car. We'll give everything a basic cleaning, and then time to plan the big restoration. Next up, engine teardown time. We zoomed in on the precision main drive chain, and guess what? Major wear on the timing chain guides. Yeah, the valve gear looks gorgeous, but if we don't fix this now, we're risking a total engine blowout. We pulled out the pistons. Surprisingly, not too much sludge, which tells me someone actually did some decent maintenance before. But man, after putting in what felt like 962 volts of pure effort, we finally tore apart the engine and transmission. When we got to the crankshaft, boom, surprise of the day. This 6-cylinder engine, 5 cylinders were completely blown out. And on top of that, the carbon buildup inside was just insane. Next step, ultrasonic cleaning. We need to blast all that thick oil gunk off the cylinder walls and get everything spotless. Honestly, I thought we scored a lucky deal with this car, but turns out we fell into a bit of a trap. Still, the good news? No major catastrophic issues. And hey, you've always got to look on the bright side, right? We locked everything down at 12 Newton meters of torque and started reassembly. We followed the exact factory specs, tested for smooth movement, swapped in a brand new crankshaft, mounted the camshafts, secured the timing chain guides, and carefully installed the valve cover bolts in the right oil pipe order. And finally, the engine is fully reassembled. Let's take a look at the before and after transformation. Seriously, it's night and day, but we're not done yet. Next up, the transmission. First step, we cracked it open. The markings were still super clear, which was a great sign. We checked every clutch plate for wear, and honestly, you wouldn't believe the condition they were in. We cleaned every single component, set them aside, and when it came time to seal the transmission, we couldn't use traditional sealing methods. We inspected each clutch plate one by one, carefully applied transmission fluid, and then mounted them back into place. Finally, we installed the brand new transmission filter. Every screw got a dab of thread locker, because we're not cutting corners here. And now, both the engine and transmission are completely rebuilt and refreshed. Next up, we get ready to handle the fine details. After all, this is a Mercedes, and you know we gotta do it right. Now it's time to bring back the classic W221 look inside and out. We cleaned up the engine and transmission, scrubbed the entire chassis, and got the transmission ready to go back in. Poured in the factory spec engine oil, topped off the original transmission fluid, and yes, first start success. That Mercedes S-Class purr, absolutely beautiful. Revving it up, oh man, the sound is just chef's kiss. We moved on to install all the auxiliary parts, carefully fitting in every piece. Next, we rewrapped the interior, bringing back that classic Mercedes S vibe. Every surface was polished, leveled, and made smooth. And finally, the masterpiece was complete. This 15-year-old Mercedes S-Class was now fully restored to its original factory-fresh glory. Check out the headlights. We replaced not just the lenses, but the reflectors inside. Doesn't it look brand new? Look at that grille, shining deep and bright. Every cover part we used, all original OEM salvage parts. Nothing cheap here. And the paint? We matched the factory classic color perfectly. See that badge on the seat? That's the real deal. How about it, guys? Not bad, right? We took it out for a test drive. Smooth, no strange noises. Every suspension component, every bushing, restored exactly to factory condition. There's one more thing. Do all the features still work? Let's test it. Ignition. Yep, fires right up. This old car has that old school charm, feels solid, stable. The air conditioning works perfectly. The classic steering wheel feels amazing on the road. And of course, if you want to upgrade the old model to a modern spec, we can do that too. But for now, we're all about the vintage vibe. Even on rough roads, it stays smooth, steady. This isn't just a show car, it's fully functional. No warning lights, no errors. Want to restore your own classic nostalgic ride? I can help you out. Every single function on this car works. And yeah, restoring something like this, including parts and labor, it ran us well over $10,000. Honestly, that's the price of multiple cheaper models. But this is the pure blood original. And just when I thought we'd take it on a long road trip down the 318, a fan saw the video, begged me to sell it, and, well, I gave in. Yeah, I let it go with a heavy heart. So hey, if you like watching these extreme car restorations, smash that follow button, and you tell me, what car should we restore next? Money's not the problem. But remember, we do it right every single time. Our big 3 components, covered by a 2-year warranty. All right, that's it for today, my fellow classic car lovers. Stick around, because the next project, you're gonna help me decide.